So the next one takes us to just-in-time access to an SSO application. So in this case, think of your crown jewel applications where you have your most important data existing, and really wanting to control who has access to those applications and when. And so this is a very much a just-in-time approach of, again, a user making a request and verifying that that user is who that they say they are, and giving them access to those applications just long enough for them to be able to complete the tasks that they need to complete. Maybe a short-term thing, and maybe a long-term thing, but having control over that, and then removing that access once that time period runs out. So if you go to the next slide, in the JumpCloud platform, we give you a way to have an alternate email there's a back and forth via Slack or email of being able to do some kind of verification that that user is who they say they are, the ones that's requesting this access. But again, it's the group membership that drives the access to an SSO application. And so this one will show you how elegantly via the API, once that user's been verified, to be able to go in and then change their membership such that they have access to those applications. So go ahead, Anir.
Thanks. So what you see here is an identical process to what we've presented in the getMeAdmin use case. Also here, /command ignites the workflow, and once being received on Torq's end, we call for a search for specific user API for validation and extract alternate email property. In parallel, we are doing two things. First, we are validating the alternate email is actually available. And then we send an hello message to the user. If the alternate email exists and the user approved by clicking yes, we are moving on.
Perfect. All right, this one I like as well, just because of the time component and the additional layer of security. Keep going. Sorry, I'm taking over for you.
No worries. So back to the story. If the token validation is okay, the employee selects the access duration, the all good just-in-time property, and then we invoke JumpCloud add user to user group API call. If the call went successfully, a confirmation message is sent with the selected time cap. Then for waiting the selected time cap, we are using Torq's wait operator. Once duration is overdue, permission revocation kicks in, and the employee again is notified accordingly.
Please subscribe and check out more content from us.